Okay, so hey guys, I'm going to do a trade review on the 9th of June. Okay, so it's a very small scalp and it's just $9. Okay, it's just a $9 win because my stop loss was hit prematurely, but either way it doesn't really matter, because trading to me is like, it depends on what the market condition is going to give you, and it's for you to determine. So I've trained myself now, and I think it's also a better way is to take profits at the lowest hanging fruit. Okay, so right here, we'll get right into the trade reviews right here. Okay, so first of all, you can see 15-minute sell side is rated here. Then I was seeing, and you can see buy side is also rated here. But right here, okay, we can see right here the dealing range I draw out. Okay, we are inside a discount already, and what I like was this. I like to see this kind of thing. Okay, like a OBC is holding price constantly. Okay, and it's also the silver bullet timing. So, and we went up, takes out buy side, went down, retraced down to a discount, and we are being held inside that discount, not showing no interest of moving any lower. And you can see the sell side is also rated here, which is why I was thinking, okay, we can move higher. Okay, I entered my live account and you can see expansion up. So I was looking at this as a market structure shift, which further fortifies my idea of price to move higher up to here. Okay, I could have long around here using the order block, but it is what it is that I have missed it. Okay, and this is just like a confirmation for me when it moved up like that. Okay, so right here, I waited for a fair value gap to form, putting on my limit order, and the risk was very nice. That's why I decided to tell myself I can take a trade. Either way, I was actually hesitating a little bit because, like, first of all, this whole week we don't have news. Okay, I wasn't really expecting any large movement or large expansion also, so I'm just trading within the range. Okay, so right here I'm just waiting. Okay, you can see that spike lower. That tells me that okay, we will reach lower for some sort of short-term low for just to move higher. Okay, that is what I'm seeing. So I want to see price move lower just to move higher. Okay, so right here I'm just waiting, not in a rush to trade, and here I'm actually waited. But now I want to see this PC held price, but okay, with hindsight, it did not. Okay, because also we remember we have the 2 fair value gap rule as well. Okay, so the 2 fair value gap rule was broken also as well. But actually on this trade, I was also trading expecting it to be high resistance, allowing movement. So my stop loss was right below this order block. Okay, but I did not trade based on the order block. Why? Because like, I don't need perfect entries. Okay, I might just miss the run just because I want to trade based on the order block. Okay, but I'm allowing price to move to the order block. Okay, so right here when price closed here, yes, I was a bit uncomfortable, but that just means that we want to reach for a lower PD array, and I was submitting the price action also, and the risk is also very small. Basically, I was hesitating because it was like, it seems 1 week I not touched live funds as well. So this got, you can see it got right in, it got into my trading, but I told myself just do it. Okay, because the risk is small and it's just a small scalp, and it's good to lose also. Why it's good to lose? Because like, I need to get used to trading live fund more. So it's just the start of my trading journey. Okay, so right here, sell side's taken again. I'm still submitting to higher price. Okay, now I'm looking at these order block levels. Okay, so you can see the 25% of it, okay, is roughly just eyeballing it again. Around 25% of it was supporting price. Now, boom, nice expansion up, and then this is a validated propulsion block. This is the order block now. So I'm thinking, okay, it's good. So that's why I shifted my stop loss up to the CE, to the order block mean threshold for this one, and just let it be. Okay, it is a high resistance trade. Okay, So indeed, this PC I was thinking I want to see this kind of weeks kind of thing. Okay, you can see now this candle I want to see weeks only, and we did week through. So next is this 5-minute CB. I want to see price use it and move up to here if it were to move up to here. But then told myself I'm just going to take lowest hanging fruit, which my analyst is telling me where here is considered very low. Right here we are closing above that BC. I like it. Okay, we are slowly moving higher. Okay, that is a 5-minute BC. Okay, on the 5-minute chart, I was looking at the 5-minute chart as well, but I only can record one screen. Okay, so I'm just submitting your narrative. First of all, 3 AM we have been moving lower already. Everyone is being caught to short, but you can see here sell size taken here again. Okay, and then showing no signs of moving any lower, and boom, market structure shift. Very nice. Okay, so right here I'm getting ready to close anytime. Why? Because this is a 5-minute CB and it can easily act as a order block. Okay, basically means it can easily just resist price. So I was really seeing on the levels, and I want to see price start to get above it. Okay, I was allowing a time filter as well. Again, the stop loss is already reduced by a lot, so I'm telling myself it's okay to submit to price action. And right here you can see 1 week lower, and we reach for this down close candle. Okay, and then does it form a low? That's what I'm seeing. And then on the 5-minute, right, you can see on the 5-minute here, you can see we expanded up. That's what I like. Okay, so I'm seeing the price use all these levels. You can see these 5-minute CB levels and slowly climb up. It's not going to be up straight movement, but does it slowly use it to climb up? That's what I was watching. You can see price just almost activated my take profit, so close to it, but it did not. I was thinking also I want to close the trade, but I was telling myself just like progressive work, progressive workout. We just like, I don't know, is it called progressive workout? But I think I've forgotten it. But it's just like doing weights, just like what ICT like to say. It's just like doing weights, and you slowly step into your comfort zone, step out of your comfort zone a bit by bit. But right here, it's just like really low. But to me, why is the market condition that I'm concerned of, and it doesn't feel nice to trade this kind of condition. But it is what it is. Okay, I'm trying to train myself to, I'm trying to hone the skill. Like, I'm still not making money yet, but I'm not losing money either. But it's the first year, so that's why it's like, what I'm thinking is like, I feel scared to lose this kind of skill set. I feel scared to like re-zero it again, like start from start from last time about not getting used to the money. So to me, I really want to keep this progress, which is getting comfortable with trading with money. Okay, that's the whole thing. So now it's already, and the thing is this, it's already the least leverage of the least. I'm using very effing little. Okay, so there's no reason for me to be any scared or what. But you can see now, my observation is here. You can see this VI. Yep, my take profit should be around here, right? Yeah, it is right. Okay, I should have put my take profit here, but either way, you can see one touch up, it doesn't reach for it, but it doesn't matter. Okay, but I did trade my stop loss already, better than break even. But at this point, right, I was seeing price touch this 5-minute CB, and I'm thinking on this candle we must just shoot up, or else I'm done for this trade. Okay, that's why I trade my stop loss up there, and boom, I'll stop out with profits. Okay, so to me it doesn't really matter. It was a good trade, good experience. Yep, so trading is about doing the right thing, and I believe for this day I did the right thing, but I really just try to push myself and try to trade live funds. Okay, if the risk is allowed, like here the risk was really small, that's why I decided to take the trade. So that's it for this trade review. See you guys in the next one.